We have only possessed undisputed knowledge of the microbial world for a little over 3.5 centuries. Think about the math on that for a second. That means that we have only known that microscopic life exists for much less than 1% of the time Homo sapiens have walked the planet. And we've only known that microscopic life exists for about 3% of the time that's passed since the dawn of civilization. Which means that for 97% of our civilized history, we were entirely in the dark. This, despite the fact that throughout history, microorganisms have been responsible for more human deaths than any other single cause. Now, to be fair, a few ancient thinkers had their suspicions. In ancient India, certain Jain texts hinted at unseen life. And back in the 1st century BC, the Roman scholar Marcus Terentius Varro speculated about invisible creatures in swamps that could enter the body and cause illness. But these were just theories. It wasn't until 1665 that the English scientist Robert Hooke published his book Micrographia, giving humanity its first real glimpse of microbial life by illustrating microfungus. Then, in the 1670s, the Dutch scientist Antonie van Leeuwenhoek took the ultimate leap. By looking at a simple drop of pond water in 1674 through his handcrafted lenses, he revealed a hidden world, becoming the first person to observe bacteria and protozoa, and sparking the entire field of microbiology. Still, it took another 200 years to figure out how this invisible world actually interacted with us. In the 1850s, Louis Pasteur demonstrated that these organisms cause spoilage. By the 1880s, Robert Koch finally connected them directly to specific diseases. And viruses, they were hidden from us for even longer. In 1892, a Russian botanist named Dmitry Ivanovsky found that the pathogen causing tobacco mosaic disease could pass right through filters designed to catch bacteria. In 1898, the Dutch microbiologist Martinus Bijgerink confirmed this was an entirely new type of infectious agent, and he gave it the name virus. All of this happened, relatively speaking, yesterday. If you found this presentation interesting or informative, please like this video and then subscribe for more mind-freeing content.